Add space to your profile on Quora. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add space to your profile on Quora easy and fast. So first thing you have to do is go to the app. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture to go to your profile. Now go to the top here again, click on your profile picture. Now this is my profile as you can see right here. All what you have to do now is go to this pencil right here, click on it, and now click add credential and choose space. Now select the space and describe a relevant experience and then click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you.